The Bestech LinerLock folding knife. It comes in this nice G10 scales. Look at that pattern right there. It's beautiful. Nice G10 scales. There's your pocket clip. There's your lanyard hole. I like the spacer in the back. It's part of that lanyard hole. It's stainless. Nice flipping action. The steel is made out of D2 steel, has a stonewash / satin finish. This is the Bestech Lion folding knife. Super action. You got jipping right here. Very smooth. That's the Bestech Lion folding knife.